Camera, stop! Hey God! Who's kind of picking me this? Guys! Come. The one is too much. See, this child does not listen. She does not listen. She makes everybody in the house to be on their toes. God, it's not easy. I'm here for a month, for a week plus, and I think I'm here till January. So I'm not going to tell you guys some of the things I did here. So now basically when I wake up, I wash plates. I don't really do much, but I eat a lot here. Like, so like a vlogmas. Nothing much. I've been indoors for almost all the time I've been here for a week now. We went out the first time for our invitation, but I didn't film that. My bad. So yeah, she likes the camera. She's so cute. You're so cute. You're so cute. She is too stubborn. Why are you so stubborn, this child? So I'm currently in Enugu. So this is like my vlogmas. I'm here for a week plus now, and this child is stressed. Guys, my niece is so cute. I can't get enough of her. So this is my dining room. I was out indoors like almost all the time. The time I went to, guys, this upper hits different. Let me just say that. I'm just putting it out there. The other time I was to church and maybe a doctor's appointment or something like that. So yeah, I just helped around the house, helped to carry the kids. I know. I didn't comb my hair stretcher, so I'm using an iron. So I'm kind of like stretch my pixie wig. So I'm just going to iron and comb. Iron. Pixie was wigged and cut by me. I used my old wig to do. Oh my god, so I used the highlight. Period. So the baby hair is starting here. So we're just going out. So I think we're going to the dentist for my sister. I'm going to spray my gut with this spray. DIY 101. When you want to stretch your hair, like I don't have a stretcher, so I'm going to use a hot iron to slip it in. This is DIY gone wrong. Ouch, that hurt. It slipped a bit, and I trimmed this because it was too long and it was standing, which is annoying. Hey guys, so today I think we're going out. Besides going to the dentist, so we're tagging along because I can't just sit in the house and do nothing. So she has to go. Hello. Where's my baby girl? She doesn't listen. She's too stubborn. She doesn't listen. You don't listen. Can you feel her baby hair? It's like, check it out, check it out, check it out. See, bye. Bye. There's nothing much really in this city. It's basically like any other eastern or western state in Nigeria. So like I said, I was at home like 90% of the time. Then went to a hair shop to get some hair stuffs. Then went to the market. Noella, Ella, look at this shakara. See your face. So this was Christmas Eve. We didn't go to church on Christmas Day. It's like always carrying a child, like I'm the mother or nanny. So yeah, I went to church. I'm a Catholic, so just went to the Christmas Eve and went back home prepared for the Christmas Day. Yeah. Seriously? I should just be following you with camera. Just like that. Mommy, let me film you too, Joe. Don't mind Auntie Mercy. You think it's only that? I bet you are too local. Ella, I'm going to fight you. You don't respect. It's your face. You don't respect. Guys, COVID is real. Wear your face mask or no entry. So the fireworks was mad. It was so beautiful, even though it was fiery, but I enjoyed it. Happy New Year. So the rest of the video, you just like few clips here and there. Boom, 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 boom. Guys, I'm trying to slay in my lane, but this child has vowed that I will not rest. And she was my dance partner, my trouble buddy. As in, her energy is just too much. Gosh, for her age, her energy is too much. Then my sister joined me for the Kube challenge. Like I can't dance for nothing, so don't laugh. It's funny. There were some puzzles around the house, so I tried them. My sad husband also helped me out in few of them. Yeah, here we are again. Told you earlier, she's my dance buddy. Anytime she just sees me play music, she starts dancing. So we just vibe along. Who would have left Enugu without taking a balloon? Oh my gosh. And it's so sweet, like it's too sweet. It's too sweet. So like most Nigerian or African households, the children always refuse to eat with a feeding bottle. They always want hand fed, which is annoying. So I'm just helping to feed her. Guys, this we're leaving for Abuja like 2 days time. So I'm just trying to prep everything, and I'm so happy because my clients have been calling me, waiting for me. So I just want to get back to work and start vlogging my hair videos again. So yeah. Daddy! Where's Daddy? Who's Daddy? It's Auntie Mercy. Why are you crying, baby? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Why is she crying? Oh, my baby's crying. She's so cute. Yeah. Ella, leave her alone. Leave her alone. Okay, it's okay. Leave her alone. Huh. So she's so cute. She's waking up from sleep and yeah. Hello. Don't hold my phone. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. No. Watch, but don't touch. Don't rush. Don't touch. I'll beat you. Baby more. Baby more. Baby more. Baby more. So if you watched this level to this stage, guys, thank you so much because you're the real MVPs. And yeah, so we came back to Abuja with my sister because she has to come back to finish her masters, and that's the end of my vlog, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.